Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that break on there. So I have most of this done. What I'm doing is I'm just going over my lines using my regular size Sharpie, and I went around the edge of my paper here. Okay, and I used a little piece of paper behind it so I didn't draw all over my table. Okay, so I'm just drawing this out here. And adding all, let's see, last one. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do, and I'm going to start on my frame first and kind of work my way around methodically, because if I don't, I'll miss something. But what I'm going to do is for every intersection, right? So anytime something comes to kind of like a point or crosses or something like that, I'm going to kind of round the curve. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just round it like that. So down here, I will round my curve a little bit and then I'll fill in that little space. Okay, and around the curve here, just like this. It gives it a little bit more of a stained glass look. One of the things that you want to make sure that you're doing is that you're starting and ending on your original line, okay? So if you end up with a line that looks like this, see how you can see my bit of Sharpie kind of sticking out from there? What you'll do is you'll just go over that so that it blends back in like this, okay? And then I'll just color this in right here, okay? So rounding, and again, I want to make sure it blends back in. Okay. And this one here is going to be rounded all the way around. Like so. And then same thing with this shape here. Okay. Just like that. So I'm going to come around here. And do the edges right here. Okay, so you see how it kind of makes it look bolder. I'm going to flatten this out a little bit. There we go. And it kind of softens the look a little bit. Just makes it look more like stained glass. Okay. And then I'm going to work my way over here. Okay, so you can see the difference between the ones that were done and ones that are not done. Okay. So you can see how this is coming together. So this is what it's going to look like on yours. Okay, and I will catch you back in a little bit when we get to the painting stage. Okay, so you're just going to go through methodically. I like to do my frame first before I move on into the inside, just because it's easier to keep track of what I've done and what I haven't done just yet, so that I don't end up missing a spot. Okay, so you just keep on keeping on. Okay, so we'll be back whenever it gets to the painting part, and I'll see you guys in a bit.